Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to share with you how to take a partial screenshot on your Mac. It is super simple. You just need to press the key combination Shift-Command-4. At this point, your mouse cursor will turn into a crosshair icon. Now, simply click and hold the left mouse button, then drag to select the specific part of the screen you want to capture. Once you're done, just release the mouse. You will see a screenshot thumbnail appear in the bottom right corner of the screen. Wait a moment, and that screenshot will be saved to your desktop. From here, you can open it up or copy it to send to others. Here is another way that gives you more control. Instead of pressing Shift-Command-4, go ahead and press Shift-Command-5. Now, click on the icon that says Capture Selected Portion. A frame will appear on your screen. You can move this frame to the exact spot you want to capture, and you can also resize the frame to fit your needs. Once you are happy with the selection, click the Capture button. And just like before, you will get your screenshot. Also, here is a pro tip to change where your screenshots are saved. By default, Mac saves them to the desktop, but if you want to change this, press Shift-Command-5 again. Then, click on Options. You will see it is currently set to desktop, but you can change it to documents or any folder you like. From now on, your screenshots will be saved to that specific folder. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like for the channel, and I'll see you in the next videos.